Choux Craquelin is a French dessert that is a little like a fancy cream puff, with a sweet, crispy, cookie-like crust on top. The name translates to cracker cream puffs, which refers to its signature crunchy texture. Hi, I'm Chloe Hodgman, and I'm the pastry chef at The Girl and the Fig. The restaurant is located in the beautiful wine country town of Sonoma that serves French cuisine with a California wine country twist.
Today, Chef Chloe is going to show you how to make this decadent, tiramisu-inspired almond choux au craquelin. The choux is topped with an espresso almond flour craquelin before baking, then filled with a thick, heavenly chocolate stracciatella espresso mascarpone mousse. She's going to show you each component and how it all comes together. The first step is preparing the basic pâte à choux dough. It's great that you can make the dough in advance, pipe them into little mounds, and freeze them. Then you can thaw them whenever you're making the dish. Next is the craquelin dough. The craquelin is a thin cookie made of butter, sugar, and almond flour that gets baked on top of the piped choux. Adding the almond flour gives the craquelin that signature crackly appearance and a delicate crunch, thanks to its fine texture and lack of gluten, qualities that help create a crisp, elegant finish. The next component is the almond milk, chocolate, and espresso mousse. These flavors were inspired by the decadent layers of tiramisu. The almond milk lifts up the flavors of chocolate and espresso while adding a creamy mouthfeel without the heaviness. It's a subtle, nutritious addition that rounds out the flavors and keeps the texture light. Next, place the mousse into a pastry bag so it's easier to fill the almond choux craquelin. Here we have our baking sheet of baked and cooled almond choux craquelin. You can see the beautiful cracked texture of the craquelin and how, as the choux expanded in the oven, the craquelin baked into a delicate, crackly, and sweet shell. Next, make a little hole and pipe in the mousse. Chef Chloe dusts her almond choux au craquelin with a little powdered sugar to serve, so you can see the beautiful dimension in the shell. This is a special occasion dessert with a sweet, crunchy texture that contrasts beautifully with the light, airy mousse inside.
I hope this recipe encourages you to explore new ways of baking with almonds and discover creative twists that bring joy to your kitchen.